Hello guys, it's me, Clash Gamer here, and today I'm going to play some Roblox Phantom Forces. Please like and subscribe below, and hit that little notification bell, and let's get into the video. It's going to take a little bit to load here. We're just loading now. Okay, I'm using the Scarl, the Deagle, and I'm using a frag, and I'm using the baseball bat. So let's deploy on Boss Captain, and we're gonna be wrecking these guys. We're playing Capture the Hill. Okay. I really like this one, and we are winning the game. So we're gonna be getting some people here. I'm level 21, I think. So I'm okay at the game, but I just got killed by the Scar H. This gun is like the best gun. It's really good. Also, so where are we going into the hill here? Okay, we just won. So we'll do one more round, and then I'll end the video. Yes, we got a starter case. Okay, we can open this up, I think. A sec. So we're gonna open it up. Let's see what we can get. Comment down below what we're gonna get. Let's see. Oh, we got Dark Indigo. That one's not that good. By the way, these two I got today, and like I was so happy. So if you got please comment down below if you want me to play any other games in Phantom Forces. So yeah, and comment down below also what your favorite game is in Roblox if you play. So yeah, we're playing Flare Domination. And kill this guy. Scarl is really good, so I like using it. Okay. Oh, I just got killed by Black Steam. Also, if you guys see me in the game, I'll give you a shout out on your channel and say hello and everything. So, Eclipse. Using my, oh god, BFG, big friendly gun, 50. In the future, I might pair up with some people and play and FaceTime them, and so we'll be playing together probably. I'm gonna make some videos, so stay tuned. By the way, I have 2,004 deaths, 1,321. So this is just my gameplay for today. If you like the video, please subscribe and like below. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.